Hi, welcome to tutorial number 1, where we're going to look at some of the basic differences between what you're used to using on a PC and the Mac that you've got given. One of the first things that you'll notice is on your desktop, you don't have a start menu, you don't have anything like that on a Windows machine. What you have is a dock bar, where we have all our icons automatically down there, and these icons you can change, you can swap, you can delete, get rid of, etc. by dragging something off the dock bar. You don't actually change it, you don't actually delete it, sorry, it just takes it off the dock bar. So I'll show you this. I'm actually going to take off Time Machine. That's an application I won't commonly use on this Mac. It's a backup tool, and I'll only load that up when I actually want it. So I'm going to click on my left hand button, and it says here one of the options is remove from dock. Now I can either click on that, or another way is I can actually just drag it off the dock bar, as you can see here, and all I've done to do that is click, held, and move the mouse, and when I let it go, you see it actually disappear. Now that is a good way of getting rid of stuff, unwanted icons on your dock bar, things that you won't always use. Another one may be iChat, as you can see here. I'm going to get rid of that. Now let's say there's an application though that you might want to use. Now all you need to do there is click on your applications, and here you'll see everything pop up. Now I have some applications already installed on this. Yours won't have as many applications already in there. So let's just use this as an example. Let's say I want my calculator down on my dock bar. I can actually just click on it and hold and drag it down into my dock bar, and there it is on my dock bar. And when I load it up, there's my calculator. Now again, I'm going to click, drag off, get rid of. When I go back to my applications, it's still in there. By dragging it off my dock bar, it actually doesn't delete the application. It just takes it off my dock bar. Now, another one of the little differences is we don't have a control panel like you would have on your Windows machine. What we have is what's called system preferences. So we click on our system preferences, and this allows us to change some things on our Mac and how it runs. One of the things I'll get you to change first of all, it's something that I always change on the Macs, is on the trackpad. The trackpad, just click on that icon, and what you can see here is once I mouse over things, it will actually show me in the video option there what it's actually going to do. Now, Macs come with multi-gesture trackpads, one of the only laptops that actually have that, and that means you can actually use more than one finger on your trackpad and it does different things. And feel free to have a look, and as you can see there, it's doing different things, and have a play with it yourself. It's pretty cool. But one thing I always add is one tap, finger to click. So tap to click, we just make that active, and that allows us to actually just click on things. Instead of using the bottom left hand corner of our trackpad, we can actually just click anywhere by tapping, and that's just the same as a left hand mouse button click. Another thing that I always like to do is the secondary click, the bottom right hand corner of my trackpad. So when you right click on your mouse on your PC, you get the other kind of optional menu. This does exactly the same thing on a Mac, and I can actually set that to my bottom left hand or bottom right hand corner, but leave it at your bottom right hand corner. And I'm just going to close that. There's the first two things on your Mac that you can have a play with. Thank you.